Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. We love making pasta in our house, but I hate straining it. Either I slip and some noodles fall out, or the strainer gets over full, or the holes are too big or too small, and it just gets really annoying. But thankfully I found this VIGOR Path clip-on strainer. It fits on any of our pots and pans or bowls. So this is perfect for whether you're making pasta or you want to strain the fat out of your beef or meat that you're cooking. Also, I love to use this when I am washing my fruits and vegetables so that I can strain them right in the same bowl. I love not having to use a separate bowl. I love that it's so small, so it's way easier to store than a regular strainer. It's also dishwasher safe, which is so great for cleaning because who doesn't love something that is able to go in the dishwasher? If you make a lot of pasta in your house and you have little storage, or you just want an easy solution for straining, I highly recommend this strainer. It is so easy. I love it so much, and you will too. But that's just my point of view.